Hello friends, today we are going to give references with the help of the citation manager, the Endnote and the Word document. What we will need, we need a library for ourselves to be generated in the Endnote. Secondly, we need a Word document where we need some certain type of text as I have copy pasted it from the Google. And first of all, we have to let's generate and a library and create a library for ourselves. For this, we need to name our library. Let's say we will give the name dengue infection data. Okay, so it is the library that I have generated, and what we will do next. So we will give random preferences. So you need to go to Google Scholar. Okay, here is Google Scholar. And Google Scholar, we randomly click the dengue infection. So in order to cite the reference from the Google Scholar, what we will have to do, we will click the inverted comma at the end of the paper. Here is the inverted comma. We will click it. Upon clicking it, it will give us this layout, this window layout. So what we will have to do next, as we are going to give the reference with the help of the endnote. So we will select the or we will click the endnote. So I have clicked it, downloaded the references for me, and click it. It will directly insert the reference into the citation manager, the endnote. Okay, and let's say we have to insert another reference, and how to insert another reference in the same library. So we will go with the same procedure, click the cite, and it will give us this window or this layout, different style. We have MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Core. So let's start with the note because we are going to generate an EndNote library. So here is, I have inserted a total of two references, and all references we have in our library are two. So what next? Go to your Word document, and Word document you need to have the EndNote add-ons in your Word. So click the EndNote. As I have EndNote 20, you can select your design style. Let's say we are going with the Venco style. Okay. So what next? We'll go to EndNote and click our desired references. But before that, I have to specify that you people need to specify your position where you are going to give the citation. Let's say the first citation, for first citation, I will select the end of the first paragraph. Okay, so then I will go to the EndNote, click the uh, what references or which references I'm going to select for the desired paragraph. So it is the uh, Guzman 2016 dengue infection reference, and I will click it and then click the inverted comma. So upon it is the citation symbol. So upon clicking it, it will give the reference automatically, and it will also give the detail of the cited references as I have the bibliography. Okay, what next? So let's say we are going to give the second reference at the end of the second paragraph. So we can directly do by going to the EndNote. So click the desired or the specific references that you are going to do it or to cite it. So click it, then click the inverted comma and it will. So it is the procedure how to create a library for yourself in the EndNote and how to give references in the Word with the help of the citation manager. If you have any question, do ask your question in the comment box. Thank you for watching.